In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Etsy history. If you've ever found the perfect item while browsing and then lost track of it, this will help you get back to those listings in just a couple of clicks. We're focusing on Etsy's recently viewed feature, which shows the items you've looked at most recently so you can revisit them without having to repeat your searches. Start by going to Etsy's website in your browser or opening the Etsy app on your phone or tablet. You can do this from any device you like. You don't have to be signed in to see your recent views on that device, but logging in is helpful because it keeps things more consistent as you move between devices. Once you are on the Etsy homepage, look for the option labeled Recently Viewed. Depending on your layout, you'll often see it near the top of the page or within the Favorites area, and it may also appear as a horizontal row on your home feed after you've looked at a few listings. Go ahead and click Recently Viewed. This opens a page or section showing a visual grid of the items you've checked out, usually with the most recent at the very top. You'll see thumbnails, titles, shop names, and prices, which makes it easy to recognize what you were looking at. If something caught your eye earlier, just click its thumbnail to jump straight back to the full listing. You can open items in a new tab if you want to compare a few options side by side without losing your place. If you don't see anything in Recently Viewed yet, try browsing a couple of items first and then return to that section. Keep in mind that private browsing modes and strict cookie settings can limit what shows up. Also, if an item has been removed or is sold out, you may see it appear as unavailable or it might not show at all. It's worth noting that Recently Viewed is private to your account and device. Other shoppers can't see this list. If you want to save something for later, consider adding it to your favorites so it's easier to find, even if it drops out of your recent history over time. And if you're using the Etsy app, the flow is similar. Open the app, look for the Recently Viewed section on your home screen or within Favorites, and tap it to see your browsing history. That's all there is to it. Head to Etsy, click Recently Viewed, and you'll have your browsing history at your fingertips, ready to revisit, compare, and shop with confidence.